everyone. If you are watching this right now, you probably already know that I once traveled for 3 entire weeks with nothing but a 12-liter messenger bag. This bag, which is essentially a laptop bag. Now, if you think I traveled without on this trip, think again. I was able to pack an entire travel wardrobe, a full toiletries kit, and even a spare pair of shoes. I have heard from countless women over the years that this one article on her packing list has been a total game changer when it comes to their own packing light journey. So that, of course, got me thinking. In September of 2020, I officially launched the Handbag Packing Masterclass. And it was so amazing that I knew we needed to do it again and again and again. It's that much fun, and the results are absolutely incredible. I believe in this class because I have seen the transformations that come from showing up and doing the work. Going from that's impossible to I think I got it is everything. So what is the Handbag Packing Masterclass? Well, over the course of 6 weeks, we'll be packing together as a class for a pretend trip in nothing more than a handbag. Each week, a new lesson will unlock, taking you further along in this packing journey. I will also assign you a piece of homework that you can complete at your leisure. In addition, I will be available for a live office hours event where we can brainstorm and problem solve any issues together. But you don't even need to be available for the live event. You can pop in at any time throughout the week, catch the replay, and participate in the class community. I will say that interaction and support of your fellow classmates is essential. It's actually vital for us to learn and grow. I have shown you what I do to pack light. But when you see how everyone else is creatively solving their own packing problems, that's when you get to take the bits and the pieces and put them together, the bits and the pieces that work for you. At week 6, we will also be having a little bit of show and tell because I want everyone to share their final results. Think of it like a final exam, but without all the pressure. Don't freak out. It's a lot of fun and you're going to be so impressed with what you have accomplished. So whether you are someone who considers herself a pretty light packer, a mom who simply wants to have her hands free, or someone who has been stuffing their suitcase to the brim for life, there is something to be gained here. The Handbag Packing Masterclass will have you packing your lightest bag ever and feeling confident about it at the same time. So if you want to sign up, be sure to click the link, fill out the form, and when you do, I will send you a super secret invite link to a secret learnable inside the HBL World community. Class starts soon, and I hope to see you there. Bye!